Hey there, friends, Nibs again. Out here in the garage today doing a little bit of goofing around. I am got a little scratchy throat going on. I'm got a cough drop in, but I'm not feeling too bad. But I wanted to do a review for you guys on this really neat old air rifle that I actually got just a few days ago, really. But I've been playing around with it, and it's a lot of fun. So this is a very old German spring piston break barrel air rifle, 177 caliber. It does have a rifled barrel, and best I can tell, some of them do say they have a date stamp on them. This one does not have a date stamp on it at all, but this is a Haenel Model 1, and the Haenel Model 1 was made between 1925 and 1939, so that's about the best I can do as far as getting it narrowed down to a date. So pre-World War II anyway, so that's pretty cool. But the seller did list this on eBay as having an average velocity of about 450 feet per second, and we're going to test that across the chronograph here in a minute. Seems like it's a little bit more to me, but 450 is pretty good for a youth size gun like this. Not too bad. An old timer like this. It's pretty much, it is a youth size, but it does have enough length of pull that I can shoot it comfortably. It's about the same size as my Diana Model 24, which is also considered to be kind of a youth size gun. The barrel's a little bit shorter. Overall, the whole thing is just a tiny bit shorter than that Model 24, but not by much. So, but this is really a good looking gun. Really nice shape for a gun that could be close to 100 years old. It does have a latching barrel, so that's pretty cool. It'll give you a nice positive lock up there. So, but let's go ahead and we'll run it across the chronograph, a couple shots across the chronograph. We'll do a trigger pull, and then we'll shoot some targets with it. I'm using the Meisterkugans, 7-grain Meisterkugans, which is what I like to do for the 177 calibers. That way we're kind of comparing apples to apples when we look back and compare the speeds that we did. All right, 517, not bad. A little bit above what the seller claimed, which isn't never a bad thing. And maybe he could have been using something a little bit heavier. He just said 450 with lead pellets, so. The Meisterkugans are lead pellets, but they're a very light lead pellet. He could have been using Crossman Premier Hollow Points or something like that are a little bit heavier. But not bad. Oop, got an error on that one. I wouldn't want to do much hunting with this thing, but you know, that much energy does have enough to do maybe some pesting in the garden or whatever. If you had a rat or something, squirrel getting into your garden. But not bad. Let's do one more, and then we'll do a couple trigger pulls, and then we'll do some target practice. So this guy doesn't have any dovetail rail or anything on the back of it. I don't think they even thought of those back then, in the 20s and 30s. Oop, got another error. Let's do one more so we can get a good average here. All right, there we go, 520. So that's the highest reading so far. So 4.2 foot-pounds of energy, not bad. Spread of 9, really good spread there. So, all right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to guess the trigger is somewhere in the 2-pound range. This it really feels nice. All right, so I've got my oh crud, just knocking stuff over here. So I have my rag box out here in the middle of the garage, and it does a good job of catching the pellets when I'm testing triggers and stuff. So let's go ahead and all right, I was a little off. Could have pulled into that one a little bit though. 2 pounds, 15 ounces. Let's do a couple more just to make sure we get a good. It's a nice feeling trigger though. I mean, even 3 pounds isn't a bad trigger for a youth rifle. All right, 2 pounds, 10 ounces. We'll do one more. And 2 pounds, 11 ounces. So let's take an average, 2 pounds, 12 ounces. So it wasn't too far off. I guess 2 pounds and some. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera off and get my camera there set up downrange at some targets, and we'll see how we can do with it. It's really proven to be a very accurate little pellet gun too. So, but stand by. Alrighty friends, I'm back with the Haenel Model 1, and we're going to do a little bit of target shooting, and then I have my silhouettes also down there. We're going to see if we can knock them over. With the power that this guy's producing, I think we shouldn't have any problem. Now let's go ahead and test the accuracy first. Got a couple of just a little 1-inch splatterburst paster dots across the garage here, and we'll see what we can do. Not bad. Alrighty. Oh yeah. Very nice. Just so pleased with this. This is such a nice little gun. Oh yeah. All right, let's see if we can knock over the silhouettes there. About 500 foot per second. That should be more than enough to knock over these silhouettes. Let's hit the ram first. Ooh, I think I went right under his belly. Again with the ram. These sights are tiny in this thing. All right, so let's get the pig. Huh. Didn't have any trouble hitting the silhouette or the splatterburst target. All right, what about the turkey first? No problem there. All right, back to the pig. All right, got the pig finally. He was giving me fits. All right, hopefully this chicken don't take too long. Tripping over guns here. All right, so here goes the chicken. Nope. All right. Try number 2 for the chicken. There we go. There we go. That is pretty good. Nice old German technology, pre-World War II. Can't get much better than that. This will be a fantastic addition to the collection for sure. He's got his spot right up here. So, anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.